The Bodos are an indigenous ethnic group in the northeastern region of India. Here are some facts about the Bodos. 1. Ethnicity and language. Bodos are one of the many indigenous ethnic groups in the northeastern Indian states of Assam, West Bengal, Nagaland, and other neighboring regions. They have their own language known as the Bodo language. 2. Culture and traditions. Bodo culture is rich and diverse. They have their own traditional dances, music, and rituals. The Brisago festival is an important cultural celebration for the Bodo community. 3. Religion. The majority of Bodos follow the Bathuism religion, which involves the worship of Bathu, their supreme god. However, there are Bodos who practice other religions like Hinduism, Christianity, and Buddhism as well. 4. Traditional attire. Traditional Bodo attire includes colorful textiles with unique patterns. Women often wear dokhona and fasra, while men wear gamsa and arunai. 5. Autonomous Bodoland. The Bodo territorial region in Assam is an autonomous region primarily inhabited by Bodos. It was created to protect and preserve the cultural and political rights of the Bodo people. 6. Struggles and movements. The Bodo community has been involved in various movements to protect and promote their cultural and political rights. The Bodo Accord, signed in January 2020, was a significant development aimed at addressing long-standing issues. 7. Economy. Traditionally, Bodos have been involved in agriculture. They grow crops like rice, maize, and vegetables. In recent years, there has been an increasing trend of Bodos in various other professions and industries. 8. Handicrafts. Bodo women are known for their skill in weaving and producing traditional handicrafts. They create intricate and colorful designs in their textiles. 9. Education and literature. The Bodo community has made efforts to promote education and literature in their language. Bodo literature includes poetry, prose, and folk tales. 10. Cultural festivals. Along with Brisago, the Bodo community celebrates other festivals like Kherai, Domsi, Dosa Hatarnai, which are important for cultural expression and social cohesion. The Bodos have a unique and vibrant culture, and their history and contributions have played a significant role in the northeastern region of India.